Hello, so today I read a code for question number A, which is the homework, and it says some requirements here. It says we have different color. If it is above 200, we fill it with red, and between 100 and 200 is yellow, and under the 100 is green. So I read this code. The first part is just like a kind of set up the basic stuff. The pen size, pen up and down, which are lie here, and we set up the background color, and there it is. So we define our job bar here, which is T and height. T is our total, our function, and height is the height. Yeah, I don't know how to describe it. So we begin field and we put the color inside, and we make a left turn like this, like left turn forward, and we write something here, making right and forward. I put 40 as the side, the width of the bar, and we turn right for 90 degree, and forward for height, and left, and we end field here, and we make turn units forward. And I just choose like where the number is. Maybe you can change to like maybe 75. Maybe you can add more, like maybe at 125. It was okay. So, and for here, just define which, like the number, like it is which number is in. I mean, which is what is the range? Like it is above 200, or in 100 and 200, or under 100. So let's run this code. See, it can clearly define whether it is green, it is yellow, or it is red. So yeah, this is the end of the show today. Thank you.